Hi everyone! If you're new, hi, my name is Sue, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to New York to the Color Factory with my friend, and yeah, I don't have much planned today. It's just really to go and finally visit this pop-up shop that I've been wanting to go to for a while. I didn't bring my camera, so I'm actually shooting on my phone, so sorry in advance for the poor video quality, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye! So I'm here at the Color Factory. I'm actually waiting for my friend. I'm excited. We got these tickets for $24. Yeah, you have to book in advance. So I got the blueberry one and it's so good. We're waiting to go inside. Ramenya. Alright. My friend had to go, and so I'm on my way to Tiger Sugar. It's like a bubble tea place that I've been wanting to check out. But yeah, see you later. Alright, and so I have my bubble tea in my arm. I didn't drink it there just because I really just wanted to go home. I can't really stay out late in the city as much as I wanted to, or can. My body just can't handle it anymore. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything that I did is down in the description box below. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share with all your traveler friends. And yeah, bye!